The biggest mistake traders make, they can forget the market only cares about one thing, and that's price. It doesn't matter how good your strategy is. If you miss the right price level, you miss the trade. And missing just one level could be the difference between catching a big move or sitting on the sidelines frustrated. I've been trading for over a decade, and one of the simplest tools I've used to stay consistent is also one of the most overlooked. It's called a price alert, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I use it in SmartCharts to stay on top of my trading. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll see why price alerts are one of the easiest ways to stay organized and profitable as a trader. See, when I first started trading, I would constantly stay at the charts, terrified I'd miss the move, hours wasted, energy drained, and still I'll miss the breakout because I wasn't looking at the right time. Sound familiar? And that all changed when I started using price alerts. Instead of chasing the market tells me when to pay attention. See, trading is about price. Buy low, sell high, or sell high, buy low. Simple in theory, but the challenge is actually being ready when the price hits the level you've planned. Price alerts remove the guesswork. Instead of sitting there refreshing charts or reacting emotionally, an alert tells you when the market hits your key level. Organization equals consistency, and that's the difference between amateur and professional traders. It isn't who has the best indicator, it's who's best prepared. Price alerts force you to plan, set your levels, and then step away until the market gives you the signal. And SmartCharts makes it seamless. In a moment, I'll show you how easy it is to set an alert with SmartCharts, and you literally click the level, set the alert, and you're done. All right, let me show you this inside of SmartCharts. Let's open up the platform. So as you can see here, I've opened up the chart, and at the moment gold has been doing absolutely fantastic. Now, let's say for example, we want to take a very simple basic structure, and we want to buy if the market retests this previous swing, right here. So I'm going to say, hey, if the market pulls back here, let me know when to be a buyer. Now there's two ways you can do this. Step one, you could go to your horizontal line and actually find the exact price. So the price is 370764. So you go to this top bell, this icon here, and you say, hey, at 3704.7, why don't you let me know, and keep repeating until it's hit that level. As you can see now, there is an alert set on SmartCharts. Another way you could do this is you can right click on your chart and you select price alert and you manually pick. So let's say I say, hey, if it comes to this level earlier, it automatically has the price alert, and you press save. Now I've got two alerts. Now that I have two alerts, when the market touches these prices, I'll get an alert on my phone to say, hey, gold is now at the ideal price level where you want to start being a buyer. Now, once you've got this all structured, you now know what state you need to be in and what things you need to be ready for when you want to start buying. Because remember, you've now speculated that if the market can go here, it can now go to a higher price. So once the price gets here, you start entering at this price and get ready for more continuous trades. So here's the takeaway. Trading is all about price. Missing the right level is costly, and price alerts make sure you never miss your setup again. Now that I've solved how to stay organized, the next step is learning how to actually pick the right price levels to trade from. That's what I'll cover in the next video, so subscribe so you don't miss out.